In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your n8n installation up to date using Docker Compose. Updating your n8n ensures you have access to the latest features, improvements, and most importantly, those crucial security patches that help protect your workflow environment. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to access your virtual private server, or VPS, using a browser terminal. This allows you to directly interact with your server as if you were sitting right in front of it. This step is essential because everything that follows will be done from this command line interface. Make sure you have your credentials handy to log in securely. Once you're in, the next task is to pull the latest version of the n8n image. This is an important step since Docker images are like snapshots of your application, packed with all the necessary software and updates. By pulling the latest version, you're ensuring that you have the most current snapshot of n8n, complete with any new features and patches. With the image ready to go, you now need to stop and remove the currently running Docker containers. Think of this step as hitting the pause button on your existing n8n instance. It might feel a little disruptive, but don't worry, your workflows and data remain safe and sound. By stopping these containers, you're making sure no old versions interfere with the new version you're about to deploy. Take comfort in knowing that you are, in fact, maintaining a clean and streamlined environment for n8n to operate in. Now it's time to start n8n with the updated image. When you fire up Docker with this fresh image, your n8n instance will be using the latest and greatest version. Consider this as hitting play again, but with a richer, more robust performance from n8n. Since the update process is seamless, you'll barely notice the transition, other than enjoying the new functions and security enhancements that come with it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, hopping into your VPS terminal, pulling that crucial updated image, stopping and removing those containers, and starting anew, you keep your n8n instance healthy, secure, and decked out with all of the latest advancements. Not only does this ensure reliability in your workflows, but it also bestows an immense peace of mind. Just keep in mind to perform these updates periodically, in accordance with your n8n usage. Thanks for tuning in to learn about updating n8n via Docker Compose. If this guide was helpful, consider subscribing for more content that keeps your digital projects running smoothly. Until next time, keep your systems updated, and happy workflow automation.